Imagine tomorrow morning NASA suddenly announces, "We've been lying to you. The moon isn't what we've told you, it is all these years." Sounds crazy? Then explain this. On the moon's far side lies a mass anomaly, weighing billions of tons that scientists still call, "We have no idea what it is." There are light flashes igniting on the completely dark lunar surface, observed for centuries, never fully explained. Now the key, all these anomalies line up in one pattern, and at the end of this video, I'll show the fact that will make you never look at the moon the same way again. Let's begin with the most obvious but incredibly strange fact. The moon always faces us with the same side. Picture this. It orbits Earth but spins exactly once per orbit, 27 days. This is called tidal locking and looks eerily artificial if you think about it. We only see 59% of its surface. The rest stays hidden forever. This isn't coincidence. Earth's gravity froze its rotation billions of years ago. But here's the question. Why does the moon show such perfect synchronization among all moons in the solar system? Mars, Phobos, and Deimos behave normally, but the moon seems custom-made for us. Now the most interesting, flip the moon to its far side and you'll see a completely different planet. Near side, smooth dark seas, actually frozen lava, covering nearly 30%. Far side, endless craters, mountains, almost no plains. Crust there twice as thick, 80 kilometers versus 40 kilometers on our side. Why? Official story. Earth's gravity pulled magma toward us, making our side hotter. But new data from Chinese mission shows volcanism on the far side was more complex and lasted longer. Basalts dated to 4.2 billion years, younger than expected. So the moon is two different worlds fused together, and this is just the beginning of the strangeness. What mass anomaly hides under the South Pole? South Pole Aitken Basin, largest impact crater in the solar system, 2,500 kilometers wide, 8 kilometers deep. But inside it, they found something unbelievable. Apollo sensors and modern orbiters detected a giant mass anomaly. Like an object several times denser than normal lunar crust sits in the center, billions of tons heavy. Theories: frozen magma ocean that didn't melt, remnant of a country-sized iron meteorite, or unknown process that pumped mass there. Strangest, this anomaly affects future mission orbits. Landings must account for it. Why exactly here, in the biggest crater? And what does it mean for the moon's entire history? At the moon's south pole are craters where the sun never shines. Kilometer-high walls create permanent shadow at the bottom. And there, ice. L-Cross and LRO confirmed, water as ice and hydrated minerals. Up to 20% of soil mass in some spots, pure water. Where from? Comets, asteroids, solar wind? Or did the moon produce it itself in antiquity? This ice is fuel, drinking water, oxygen for future bases. But reaching it means drilling through regolith crust. And here's the question. If water exists, why is the moon so dry everywhere else? Since 1178, astronomers record light flashes on the moon. Aristotle, Galileo, modern telescopes, all saw them. Dots, streaks, gas clouds over Aristarchus. Officially, 1/3 meteorite impacts, 1/3 gas outgassing from depths. Rest, unknown, but flashes last seconds to minutes, sometimes change color, sometimes come with moonquakes. In 1958, Soviet Luna 2 caught a flash before impact. Modern L-Cross cameras catch micrometeorites, but why so many observations in the same craters? And what gas erupts from the dead moon? The moon now has almost no magnetic field, but its rocks remember differently. 4 billion years ago, the field was 100 times stronger than Earth's. Apollo samples analysis showed dynamo effect in the molten core worked for billions of years, shielding the surface from solar wind, then suddenly shut off. Why? Core cooled? Cataclysm happened? Magnetic remnants exist in separate craters, like the field froze locally. This changes everything. The moon was active with a turbulent core, and we're just starting to understand it. The moon was born from a Mars-sized protoplanet hitting Earth 4.5 billion years ago. Debris merged in orbit. Beautiful theory, but details don't match. Lunar rocks lack iron. It sank to Earth's core. But oxygen isotopes nearly identical to Earth's. New models require a grazing hit, not head-on. Computer simulations show speed and angle must be perfectly tuned for the moon to form just right. Coincidence? Or other scenarios exist? The moon doesn't stay still. It recedes from Earth by 3.8 centimeters per year. Apollo laser reflectors measure it millimeter precise. Why? Tides. Moon pulls oceans, Earth breaks its orbit with rotation energy. Result, day lengthens by 2.3 milliseconds per century. In 50 billion years, days equals 47 days, month equals year. The sun will swallow Earth first, but the fact is chilling. Our moon is temporary, and future night skies will be empty. But volcanism says, inside it's warmer than thought. Lunar seas, lava plains millions of square kilometers, flooded by kilometer-thick basalt flows. But far-side volcanism was weird. Chinese samples found basalts 4.2 billion years old, younger than expected. Red volcanic rocks, iron poor, with gas bubble traces. Moon may have huffed longer than thought. South Pole Aitken might have been a megavolcano. Moon, not quite dead. In 2024, Chang'e 6 returned first far-side samples, and they shock. Rocks unexpectedly dry, high rare elements, scorched structure. Near side shows water traces, far side, almost none. Means moon endured processes, washing out light elements from one half. Magnetic field, volcanism, or impact we missed? Conclusion: moon isn't just impact debris, it's an object with complex history where two sides live different lives, and we're just starting to unravel it. Subscribe. Antarctica and pyramids next. Now drop a comment about what of these 10 facts were something that you've already known before, and what was new for you. Also, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, because it is helping my channel to grow and to make more interesting videos for you. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.